Hey guys, this is a quick review of some of the slides that we've done throughout this unit as a recap. We're going to test on Thursday and I want you to be prepared. So please, if you do not understand any of this, come to our Zoom class, which is now at 8:40 instead of 9 o'clock. So we work everything in class, do the homework, study for the test, do the test, everything. Here we go. So this is 8.8a, and we have two 8th grade classes that are selling raffle tickets to raise money. One class, and I'm going to write this as we go, one class is selling tickets for $2.50 each. So there's our X, and has already raised $350. So since they start with $350, that is our B. The other class is selling tickets for $3 each. There's our word, each, and has already raised $225. That's their B. So let's write this out. So we have class, the first class is 2.5x plus 350. And it looks like they want to be equal. And the other equation is going to be $3 or 3x plus 225. So we just need to see which one that is. So we're looking for 2.5x plus 350. And they're using T for tickets. And this is not right. That is 350T. That is not right. 250T plus 350. That looks awesome. And the other one is 3T plus 225, which looks awesome. Your answer would be C. Let's go to the next one. And we have Veronica's ordering trophies for her school. We have two companies, company P, company R. So this company charges $350 for each trophy. There's our X. And a one-time fee of $25. That's your B. So we have 3.5X plus 25. And the other company charges $750 for each. There's your X, 7.5X, and a one-time fee of $17. That's your B. Which inequality can be used to find X, the minimum number of trophies that can be ordered, so the total charge at company P, that's this one, is less than, there's your sign. Okay, so you want the point right there to point towards the company that's less than. So we have 3.5x plus 25 is less than 7.5, but it doesn't have an x after it. Doesn't have an x after it. And that's in the wrong spot. Oh, this is also in the wrong spot. So 3.5x plus 25 is less than 7.5x plus 17. Here's your answer. Your answer is H. Next one. Renting video games from store S costs $250 per game. Okay, so $250X. And a monthly fee of $5. That's your B. The next company is company store T that costs $5 per game. And no monthly fee. So the monthly cost to rent video games depends on the number rented, which inequality represents a situation when the monthly cost at store S is less than. There's our sign. So 2.5x plus 5 is less than 5x. Very good. Looks great. That is our answer is A. Moving on. Okay, now we're on to 8.8b, and we need to pick which situation goes with the equation. So we're looking at $5 per each and every, or 5 per each and every, and then we're looking at 8 per each and every. And it's going down, and we're looking at starting points of 340 and 650. So let's read these. Sierra has a bucket that contained 340 ounces of water. That is our B, and that works. It's being filled at a rate of 5 ounces per. Okay, so that looks great. Brian has a bucket that originally contained 650 fluid ounces, that's B, and is being drained, that's good, at a rate of 8 fluid ounces per minute. That's awesome. What is X, the number of minutes that need to pass in order for the two to be the same? That's perfect. So we know our answer is A. And if you were taking a test, you would read all of them to make sure you were correct. But to save time, we're going to move on. And by the way, this one doesn't even have the right numbers in it. So definitely don't pick that one. Okay. Here's the next one. So, which is best represented by the situation? So this one charges a membership fee of $2, that's your B, and $1.50 per rental. That looks good. While Susie's Movie Club has no membership fee but charges $2 per rental. Perfect. Billy and Susie find that they each rented the same number of movies last month and paid the same amount. Well, I think our answer is right here. And to save time, we're just going to go with this one because we have our B is 2 and it's $1.50 per, and that equals 2 per rental for the other club. Very nice. Next one. Okay, we need to write this equation and then we need to solve it. No problem. So we have two x's with squares around them, so that gives us 2x. And then we have 10, 20, and 30. Hello? Okay, plus 10, 20, 30 equals, and on this side we have 2 shaded with negative x's in there, so we have negative 2x plus 2. I'm going to solve it by hand, and then we will check it with the calculator. We need the x's on one side and the numbers without an x on the other side. So I'm going to move the 30 by doing the opposite on both sides. 2x equals negative 2x minus 28. Then we need to move this x to the left by doing the opposite. And that's going to give us 4x equals negative 28. Divide both sides by 4, and we know x will be negative 7. Don't worry about that if you get too confused, because we're going to use the calculator and get the same answer by doing the following. Here we go. Everything's cleared. We're going to hit y equals. We're going to put the first part of our equation in the calculator. We're going to put 2x plus 30. We're going to hit enter. When you see the equal sign, you hit enter. Now let's put the other part. Negative 2x plus 2. Like your note said, you're going to hit second, trace, 5. Here come your lines. You're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And you can see that x equals negative 7. It's right there on your calculator. It's right here. Okay? Next one. We need to write this equation and see which one is true. Okay, so we have 4x minus 2 equals negative x plus 8. Based on that, I can take this one off, and the rest are the same. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to solve it. To save time, I'm going to solve it on the calculator. Pull that up, hit y equals, clear, and I'm going to put 4x, 4 x minus 2. Enter. Clear. Now I'm going to hit negative x plus 8. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5. There's my lines. Enter, enter, enter. And I can see my answer is 2. So I know my answer is G. Next one. What is the solution to the equation? Let's pull the calculator up. And we're going to put it in the calculator. We have 2x minus 2. I'm going to leave that the same because that's what we have. Negative x plus 10. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. Whoops, something is wrong. Hold on. I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5. And I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. And I can see my intersection is the number 4, so my answer is J. Let's go to the next one. That's it. We're at the end, guys. I hope you got them all correct because the questions are exactly the same or very similar on the quizzes on the next page. That'll do it, guys. See you in Zoom class, and thank you for watching.